Hello YouTubers, and this is Vladimir, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Blender on the mirror modifier. So first of all, we're going to go ahead into edit mode. We're going to press Ctrl R to add some vertices on the Z axis, which is the blue line in the center. Then we're going to go ahead and go back into pressing 1 into front view, and we're going to add some more vertices on the X axis, which is the red line. I'm going to highlight the rest of the vertices on this left side and the bottom side and delete the vertices. We are now left ourselves with a rectangle, so if we press 3 to go into side mode, like so, and then we're going to add some more vertices on the Z axis, and we're going to delete the ones on the end of the Y axis. So we are now left ourselves with three sides of a cube, a small cube. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a mirror modifier to add on opposite of each axis, so we will end up with the same cube we had, but only a couple vertices will be changed to edit all sides of that cube. So as you can see, I'm just scrolling around on here just to show the YouTube viewers what is happening with this little cube here, and we are now going to add a mirror modifier. So let's just go over ahead here to modifiers and add mirror. As you can see, we've got a little block. If you click this triangle up in the top corner, you'll have vertices on the mirrored side of the object. This is helpful for when modeling. Now if you click the tick, the Y and the Z boxes under the mirror modifier options, you'll have a cube. Now this cube is pretty much it's mirrored every single of the vertices, so you've copied the X, the Y, and the Z axis. This can be very useful when modeling stuff in Blender, because you can mirror maybe 3 sides of an axis and only have to work on one side, and you'll end up with a sphere or a cube with all different modifications added to it, and you've only worked on 1/4 of it. So as you can see, I'm just messing around with the cube here to show you how vertices work. It was very complex, but it's not very complex once you get used to it. As you can see, it is clipped in the middle, but these vertices haven't clipped. I'm just going to go ahead and delete these vertices and show you using the X-axis what you can do with mirror. So we're just grabbing vertices here and we're just dragging them up and down like so. Now this goes to show how useful Blender the mirror modifier is, and how easy it is to use as well. Now I'm going to show you how to use clipping in Blender, which is the same as mirror. Well, you're using mirror, but it allows you to stay on one line and fluently make models easier than what it is. So we're going to add a cube. Then we're going to add ourselves some more vertices down the center of it. We're going to go ahead and delete the left side of the vertices. We're going to add mirror, click the little triangle so we see the vertices on the other side of the cube. We're then going to click clipping just over to the right there in the mirror settings. And now if we click all of the vertices on the top and we press up and down, it will stay on the center of this X axis. If we press G after all of them are selected, we can move up and down, but it will move the outer side ones, but the middle ones will stay directly on the X axis. This is how easy clipping is, and as we extrude out, you have these little dots. I've been Vladimir, and this is a Blender tutorial on mirroring.